Hello everyone, today we're going to make a very simple heat engine, which is a combination of test tube, alcohol burner, balloon, and some control weights at the end of the balloon. In this case it's magnets, and it's the case because it's easiest stuck at the end of the balloon. And the idea is that the heater hit the test tube, one end of the test tube, the air inside expand, fill up the balloon, and when the balloon is filled up, the control weights move, and the balance here is no longer valid, so as the tube end, the closed end, get a higher position away from the flame of the flamer or the burner. And then the air cool downs, and it cool downs, the air squeeze, the air from the balloons also squeeze. The balloon get closer and the weight get closer, and the balance is once again not made. So the closed end of the test tube go down, heat and repeat itself. You can see that actually inside the test tube there's a liquid. And I put this liquid, it's alcohol, in order to repeat the cycle faster. So you can put alcohol or ethanol, acetone or something like that to increase the speed of the cycling. And that's it. If you like it, you can subscribe to the channel, give a thumb up, and watch more videos like this one. Thank you. Bye.